So if you could introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Varun Jain from Tiara Fashions. We are based in Ichalkaranji and Ahmedabad. So we manufacture like textile shirting fabric. So we do all cotton, viscose, stencils, modal, lycras, and everything, all these qualities. So we are basically a shirting fabric manufacturer. This fabric goes to the garmenters and they got it stitched. So you get the entire range with us, and it's been like 25, 30 years of now I have been into this business.
That's great, sir. So my first question would be that what sustainable materials or processes have you recently adopted in your fabric and accessories production?
Sustainable materials, as in we are more into cottons, so that is likely to be a good fabric, good for your skin, and that lasts for long. And even we are doing to poly and lycras, that is good for your like school purposes, industrial purposes, and the fabric is good for even say industrial purposes. So that is good, and you can use that frequently. You can wash it, chemical wash everything, and it lasts for long time.
Right.
If you go into some other fabrics, they tear off easily, they have no life. But in cottons and more like poly and everything, you have a long life. So I would suggest, if you go in fabrics, you should definitely go with cotton and poly structures. That gives you more lasting.
And it's better for the skin as
Yeah,
well
yeah,
and
it's skin
comfort.
friendly. Yeah, skin friendly. Yeah.
So next question would be that are you aware of any government schemes which support sustainability in the textile sector?
Not really.
Okay. So next question, what challenges do you face in exporting your fabric and accessories products? And what problems do you encounter while forcing expansion of your fabric and accessories operations?
The thing is, like, we look for the exports many time, but the thing is, like, we don't have a proper direction. We are more into domestic market. It's easy for us to sell them to domestic market. It's easy to approach them. We can go for payments, even for the if you want to showcase your products, it's easy for to access them. But
Right.
the international market, what we face is the payment terms. As like I have recently exhibited in Sri Lanka, and they were asking for the side payments. When you're doing export, we do side payments here in India. But if you are doing export, why are you supposed to do side payments?
Exactly.
So that was the some probably the things what I don't know how to deal with the exporters, but I would really like to check things like how to do export, as we are into pan India. We do a good business, and I'm really looking forward to do exports. If possible, if the proper guidance I get it, I would surely do the export as well.
So basically, insights in the export industry is required right now. So that it makes it for
Yeah,
the business easier
yeah,
as well.
easy, yeah. So probably I might be not having the proper guidance. As if I told you, we have been to Sri Lanka, and there I was like, why to give side
Right.
payment sides? Because in India you give sides, say as 30 days, 60 days. But
Exactly.
if you are doing export, you have to be you know cash in hand.
Exactly. Yes, sir.
We are not supposed to fly every time to Sri Lanka and ask them for the payments.
So that also becomes some kind of a liability
Yeah,
also.
yeah. So that was the thing. Probably I might be not aware about the proper how to export and things. But then, yeah, fabric is all open. You can sell anywhere in the world, and if opportunity gets, I will definitely go for exports.
And some my last question would be that any solutions or support would you require in overcoming the current challenges?
Yeah, as in,
Like what solutions would you support if any policy were to be made or anything which improves the challenges and it's better for you. So how do you overcome with them? If anything, would you like to recommend?
the thing is, like, market is very much open now, and regarding the security and stuff, payments are not really very easy to track back, because once you have sell your fabric, you have to wait for the payments. If the government, if the industry, like, they make a proper channel, if you sell the fabric, the payment has to come in 30 days. If the same policy been applied everywhere, that will
Exactly.
be easy for everyone to do the fair business. Because once you sell the fabric, you never know. In the domestic market, what I face many times, once you sell the fabric, you are under the customers
Right.
hand. You have to wait for the payments. You keep on throwing the fabric, but then for the payment time, you have to wait. Okay, sir, please market sign here. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. It takes 3 months, 4 months, 5 months as well. Many of the times. So
Definitely.
if we have a proper channel or proper industry like this, they have the rules or terms, as say as the terms, that the payment has to come in 30 days or the legal action will be taken. Then I am sure the textile industry will be very much easy for the Indian market, because Indian market is booming in cottons and everything. The textile is very much high. What I see in the next 5-10 years, and if the payments improves, it's very easy for us like the manufacturers to do a open business.
Right.
That's what I say.
So, improving the payment process is the number one priority,
Right, right.
which should be improved.
Yeah. If like if you have some agencies or probably say as a team,
Some
some
mediators.
mediators who can say that, yeah, if you connect with us, the payment will be sure. Like when you do export, it's LC, letter of credit, you get the
Right.
payment is secure. It's the same way we have to have in the domestic market as well. Once you sell the fabric, the payment is secure, and your payment will be there on time. So if that industry can be improved, I'm sure the textile will be clean, and we can do a better and great business.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for your time. It
Thank you.
was
Thank you
great
so
having
much.
a conversation with you.
Great.